Now, whereas the focus is back on the big story in the first response from Pakistan's political establishment. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has stated that it is open to any neutral, transparent and credible investigation into the Pahalgam terror attack, which has claimed the lives of 26 innocent Indian nationals. This is the first offer from Islamabad, issued amid the widespread international support for India and critical condemnation for Pakistan. Now, India has received support from nations including United States, United Kingdom, Israel, Russia, Germany, amongst others. Simultaneously, the TRF, which is a proxy outfit linked to the Lashkar-e-Taiba, has taken a back step. The terror outfit has denied any involvement in the recent Pahalgam terror attack, calling the allegations it false, hasty and a part of the orchestrated campaign to malign the Kashmiri resistance. The TRF has deemed it a coordinated cyber intrusion and pointed fingers at India for the same. Mehndi Garg is joining me live on the broadcast to share, in fact, more details. Mehndi, now Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has reacted to India's initial step of the retaliation to this terrorist attack, with Pakistan now left with no option but to suffer as India suspends many agreements, including, in fact, the Indus Water Treaty. Islamabad has agreed to offer into a fair transpiration. What are the details?
Well, indeed, Simran, Pakistan is facing the repercussions of the terrorist attack that happened in Pahalgam, and now Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shehbaz Sharif, has expressed that his country is willing to participate in a neutral, transparent and credible investigation in the terrorist attack that happened in Pahalgam. And Simran, not only this, but it has been said by Pakistan Prime Minister, and while criticizing New Delhi for leveling baseless allegations against Islamabad without verifiable evidence, and addressing the graduating course at the Pakistani military academy. Also, Shehbaz Sharif's speech took a different tone as he reaffirmed Pakistan's military readiness and by saying that nobody should remain under any false pretense, and Pakistan's armed forces are fully capable and prepared to defend the country. But right now, as you know, the repercussions are very clear that Pakistan is facing right now, as India has closed many doors for Pakistan. Now, there is a change in the tone of the Pakistan when Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has agreed to join any neutral and transparent probe into the Pahalgam massacre. And also, politics have erupted because now the J&K CM Omar Abdullah has also questioned Shehbaz Sharif's offer to join this probe. And also, Shehbaz Sharif criticized what he called India's perpetual blame game, saying the cycle of accusations must come to a grinding halt. And the recent tragedy in Pahalgam is yet another example of this cycle. These are the words of Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. And not only this, Simran, but also if we talk about the front that took responsibility for the attack that happened in Pahalgam, the TRF, then yes, now the TRF, the proxy outfit linked to the Lashkar-e-Taiba, has also taken a step back with this terror attack, and the terror outfit has denied any involvement in the recent Pahalgam terror attack after taking the responsibilities some days back, and now calling the allegations as false and hasty and as part of an orchestrated campaign to malign the Kashmiri resistance. The TRF has taken a back step from the Pahalgam terror attack that happened, and now the TRF has also deemed it a coordinated cyber intrusion and pointed fingers at India for the same. But right now, as per the sources that we are getting to know, that as India has closed many doors for Pakistan, now Pakistan is changing their tone and agreeing to cooperate in this probe. Yes, Simran.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Mehndi, this continues to be seen with